Hey yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know who I am Eddie, aka InZaNe 30, and we are starting the video somewhere pretty dope, where actually I'm gonna probably make some custom pieces for the Camry. But before we get that started, I want to appreciate y'all for showing so much love for the last video. Y'all absolutely killed it. I was like, damn bro, like absolutely killed it. So once again, I appreciate y'all for always showing so much love and support on the channel. For real, it means the world to me. Yeah, so we're starting the video here today at Downforce Solutions. Yeah, I hit them up a while ago asking if they can make some splitters, some side skirts for the Camrys, just because I seen that their website has nothing for the Camry. So I was like, why not? And try to make an opportunity with it and see if they can make some kits for either just my Camry or for all Camrys and make it universal, so you guys can also buy pieces too. I'm gonna go in there, meet with the guy, and we're gonna probably run up some designs, see what's up, and we'll go from there. But if you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys are not yet subscribed, it says 70% of y'all is not subscribed. Hit that subscribe for your boy. It's free, you know, show some love. But all right, let's get with this video. Ooh, so we in here. He's about to get a couple mock-ups done for the lip, side skirt, and some splats. We got a little design right here going on. Right here. We got the front lip, side skirts. And he's just about to get some mock-ups. We decided to go with something for the splats over here to just kind of extend a little bit, not too crazy. Same thing with the side skirt. We're probably gonna match the wheel length of how the wide body gets. Should look freaking dope. Should look freaking dope, because I do want the whole wide body to look complete. As obviously you guys can tell, it looks thick, skinny, thick, but I want it to look thick all around. So that's kind of what we're going for. And we shall see. This is gonna look crazy. That's gonna look good. Yeah, it's gonna look so sick. Looks so even. It's gonna look way more mean for sure now. Boom! Alright guys, I just left Down Solutions right now, and yo, huge shout out to Tony, man. He's such a dope guy, dope vibes all around. Was helping me out, making sure I wanted everything the way I wanted, you know, like he was just making sure, he was making me happy, making sure like I just wanted all the configurations right and wanted the extensions out right and everything. So huge shout out to Tony, bro, Downforce Solutions. And bro, I'm excited for this kit, like this whole splitters, the whole side skirt. It's gonna make the whole car look aggressive. As you guys saw, that little lip how do I say it, mock-up, the little mock-up he did, bro, that shit already had me excited, like damn, this is gonna look so sick, bro. So yo, I'm excited for this. It's gonna be like a one-of-one custom piece. I'm not sure if he's gonna make variety pieces for the Camrys. I'm sure he would. If you have a TRD, like he would make more lips, more splitters and all that for you guys. I'm sure he wouldn't mind doing that. So when it comes out and I show you guys, it's gonna look sick. And then you guys, the TRD owners, decide if you guys want to add the splitter to your guys' car, or if you guys want to add the splats to your car, you know. So we'll just wait till it sees. It should be done by 2 weeks. In 2 weeks it should be done, because I want to get it ready by Fuel Fest. He'll have it ready for me before Fuel Fest, so it's gonna be dope. Once again, huge shout out to Downforce Solutions, aka Tony, as well, for helping me out, making sure this all goes well. And bro, I'm just excited. I'm excited as hell. Excited to be repping Downforce, bro. For real. It's gonna be a partial sponsorship, which is so exciting. So, you know, gonna be dope. Gonna be dope as fuck. Damn, it looks good right here. So we're gonna get a car wash again, because why? It needs one. So we're gonna wash it. it's obviously gotten dark now, but I finished up cleaning her, and whoo, is she glistening. Look at that carbon fiber just glistening, bruh. Same thing with the door. My wheels is glistening too. The whole car is shining. And don't get it twisted, bruh. The car only looks good in the dark. If there was sun hitting it, it probably wouldn't look as this good. I'm telling you, bro, this color black is so hard to keep clean, especially during the day with all the scratches it like picks up and everything. It's just, I hate it. That's the only reason why I hate this color, but at night it looks stunning. But wrap coming soon. Wrap coming soon. And possibly new wheels too. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Let me just get money first, man. Boom, boom. Bro, yesterday that was stuck. Yesterday I was trying to pop open my hood and that shit was stuck. Like, that shit had me scared. I thought I broke it. But I wanted to do something that I should have been meaning to do a minute ago. Damn, where the fuck is the thing? Oh, it's right here. Is I need to clean out this air filter. Been long overdue. I don't think I need to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Then after I clean that, I want to give you guys more of a brief explanation on what we're doing, what I'm doing with the whole kit with Downforce Solutions, so you guys can get a better understanding, because I feel like I didn't really explain it very well, but I got y'all right now. Just let me pull out this air compressor. So you just need a flathead to remove this and just loosen it, and obviously you know how to do this. Y'all don't need my instructions. Got the damn air pressure so damn loud. Alright, so I removed, oh fuck, I removed the air filter, and now I'm gonna just use some compression air and clean it up. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm not even gonna cap, the lighting's so bad right here, but this thing is so dusty and dirty. This thing really needed it. Alright, so I got it pretty much cleaned. I do need to buy a new one regardless, but I need to clean it because the shit was dirty. But I've gotten majority of it all cleaned. I do need to buy a new one though. Time to put it back on. Hey, what's up with it? ¿Vienes usted? Sí, pásale. Air filter is all put back in. Voila, and boom, bonito. I haven't got the throttle body spacer, just in case for the new viewers. This is what I have, you know. Doot, doot. Brace bar, throttle body spacer, intake, X series. A lot of people ask me where I connect that wire. That's what it comes with. For the XSE lights, a lot of people ask me about that. Now y'all know. Now let's get to the real talk about the whole Down Solutions thing, as you guys previously saw. So what we're gonna do is he's going to make some side skirt extensions to literally line up with the wide body. So as you see how the wide body comes out here and it's like pushed in. Alright, so the side skirts are gonna be extended out here to just go with the flow of the wide body kit. You see the flow of the wheels, and right here of the kit, it's gonna get extended out so right here, and just follow the flow of the whole car. And as far as the lip's gonna be as wide as the wheel as well, so it's gonna give it that whole aggressive, mean look. So the lip's gonna be extended out 3 inches from this, so it'll be like 3 inches extended out like this. Same thing for the sides, it's gonna be matching up with the wheel of the width. So gonna be crazy, but gonna be dope as fuck as well. And then for the rear, we're doing splats. So the splats are gonna come out as far as here as well to match with the wheel. And it's gonna go with the whole flow of the car, which is gonna look so sick. And I can't wait, I'm super excited for that shit. So yeah guys, like I said earlier, he should be done with that by June 2nd, which is next week. So yeah, I should have it ready by Fuel Fest, because I am attending Fuel Fest. And you know, I haven't attended Fuel Fest since 2 years, since the pandemic. You guys remember last time? That was cool. For the new viewers, if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. Fuel Fest was dope, but that's when I was like probably like stock. So to go 2 years later from this and the whole wide body kit should be dope. And the new splitters and splat and lip is gonna look insane. I'm gonna probably be so low too. It's gonna make me look so low and aggressive, which I'm gonna need to buy some wood so I can get on my driveway, because I'm already scraping there. So I'm gonna have to buy some wood so I can like lift my car up while I drive in the driveway. But I'm sorry if this video is a little short, guys. I did just want to update you guys on the kit, just so you guys know what to expect and what's to come with the car. And hopefully when I pick it up, I will talk to him about seeing if he's gonna branch it out for all Camrys. And then I'll obviously let you guys know, or I'll have him explain to you guys what he'll do with that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I truly appreciate the support, for real. And yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.